Magandang araw mga ka-ML Auto Deals, no? Merong good news na naman, may bago tayong unit na Kia Rio RS Limited Edition 2013 model hatchback, top of the line. So naka 17-inch mags na po to, mga sir and ma'am. So silipin natin ang interior. Sidings is okay pa naman, dashboard, clean interior at napaka presentable pa. Okay, so engine start, push button na po tayo. Automatic transmission with dual climate control ang ating aircon. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, naka-sport mode siya dahil RS nga ito at limited edition with plus and minus. Okay, so silipin muna natin ang 360 viewing ng ating sasakyan. So punta muna tayo sa second row seats. Sa second row seats naman po ay makikita natin napakalinis at well maintained po ng dating previous owner, dating may-ari po, no. Walang punit at walang kamantsa-mantsa ang ating second row seats. Sa paint, meron tayong minimal scratches. Okay, so given naman yon sa second hand car. So pasok tayo sa compartment, napakaluwag at foldable naman po yung ating top compartment. So malinis na malinis po ang ating Kia Rio. So kung interesado kayo, no, we are located only at Binyan, Laguna. PM us and reserve the unit now.